Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 2,761 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse gear. It's been upgraded with a passenger backrest and a tall windshield. This factory trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. The stripped-down trike is powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that produces an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.